Are you looking for effective ways to stay hydrated during your workouts and maximize your performance? Hydration is crucial for preventing fatigue, maintaining focus, and optimizing your body's ability to perform at its best. One simple and effective way to hydrate during workouts is to drink water before, during, and after your exercise session. Consider using a water bottle with volume markings to track your water intake and ensure you're getting enough fluids. Adding a pinch of salt to your water or sports drink can help replenish electrolytes lost through sweat. If you're engaging in intense or prolonged workouts, consuming a sports drink with carbohydrates and electrolytes can be beneficial. Another great option for hydration is coconut water, which is packed with natural electrolytes and has a refreshing taste. To avoid dehydration, try sipping water or a hydrating beverage every 15 to 20 minutes throughout your workout. Don't rely solely on thirst as a gauge for your hydration levels. Aim to drink before you feel thirsty. Avoid sugary or caffeinated drinks, such as soda or energy drinks, as they can dehydrate you and hinder your performance. Investing in a reusable water bottle that you can easily carry with you will remind you to stay hydrated throughout the day. Remember to listen to your body's signals and adjust your water intake based on factors like temperature and workout intensity. Additionally, eating hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables that are high in water content can contribute to your overall hydration. Avoid alcohol consumption before workouts as it can dehydrate you and impair your performance. After your workout, replenish fluids by drinking water or a sports drink and make sure to continue hydrating as the day goes on. By staying properly hydrated, you can prevent muscle cramps, improve your endurance, and recover more quickly from your workouts. So, next time you hit the gym or engage in physical activity, prioritize hydration and feel the difference it makes in your performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest fitness tips and tricks.